birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Clang. We love you. God bless.
Perfect day. Happy birthday, Cling. More birthdays to come. God bless you. May the Lord gives you the desires of your heart. Thanks for inviting. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Ano yun? Happy birthday, Kling Kling. Stay happy, stay beautiful. And God bless you always. Thank you. And so,
Happy birthday! God bless!
happy birthday, Kling. We love you. God bless you more.
Bye-bye all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Happy birthday, Kling. Sana masaya ka sa karawan mo. At saka, sana marami ka pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. And happy birthday. And I love you. And sana magtagal pa tayo dito sa Abu Dhabi para matagal pa tayo magkasama dito. At saka, salamat sa lahat-lahat. And yun lang ang masasabi ko sa iyo. Mag-ingat lagi. And I love you.
Hello, Kling. Happy 47th birthday. Unang-una sa lahat, thank you so much sa lahat ng bagay na ginawa mo sa akin, sa matagal na nating pagkakaibigan. Sana ganito pa rin tayo. Although hindi man tayo madalas mag-chat, at least may time pa rin tayo na mag-chat, na magtawagan. Basta maraming salamat. Isa ka sa mga pinakamalapit kong kaibigan. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. I love you and take care always. See you. Happy birthday.
Hi Kling, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. More birthdays to come, more good health, and keep praying to the Lord. I'm so grateful to have you as my friend. So happy birthday.